If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in TradingView desktop app. We have a two option for taking a screenshot. For the option 1, if you want a full screenshot or automatic screenshot or save, something like that, you'll have to click the Windows key and the PRT-SC, which is print screen, at the same time. For the option 2, you'll have to click the key of print screen only, and here you can customize which part of your TradingView app will you screenshot, and you can also record or resize it to your desired size, and that's it. That's how you take a screenshot in TradingView. If this video found helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.